Hello, classic car enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Vintage American Cars channel, where we discuss classic cars in detail, from condition and performance to restoration potential. Today we have a very exciting lineup. Let's go through each one in detail. First car, 1974 Dodge Dart Pro Street build, 8500Ls, King George, Virginia. We start with the 1974 Dodge Dart. This is a Dart Sport model with a Pro Street style. It has a 4-speed manual transmission, offering a more authentic driving experience for true muscle car fans. The bodywork has already been done, but it needs a new paint job, making it a great project for enthusiasts. Under the hood, there's a small block engine with a mild camshaft, producing that signature muscle car sound. The owner also includes an extra 340 engine for rebuilding. At $8,500, this is a promising project. Now, second car, 1975 Chevrolet Malibu, a daily driver with minor TLC, 5,500, Conley, Georgia. Next, we have the 1975 Chevrolet Malibu. Priced at $5,500, this car offers a balance of performance and classic looks. It is powered by a 350 engine and an automatic transmission, making it a solid daily driver with just a little maintenance required. It sits on US Mag's 22-inch wheels with an 8-inch lip, giving it an aggressive stance. The owner originally wanted $7,500, but is now open to negotiation. If you're looking for a light project, this Malibu is a great choice, especially with its fresh paint job. Third car, 1975 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, ready to drive, high performance. Carrollton, Georgia. Now, let's talk about an iconic classic, the 1975 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. This car is completely road ready and can even be used as a daily driver. The body and paint are in excellent condition, though the AC and a few gauges need some attention. The most exciting part is its engine. It features a 350 small block Chevy with a Stage 3 cam from Texas Speed. With forged pistons, ported cylinder heads, and a Holley double pumper carburetor, this car pushes 375 horsepower to the wheels. Paired with a 400 high stall transmission, this Corvette is more than just a showpiece, it's built for speed. At $10,000, it's a solid deal. Fourth car, 1974 Mercedes-Benz 500 SL, elegant and classic, 7500, Columbia, Missouri. For those looking for a more elegant classic, this 1974 Mercedes-Benz 500 SL Roadster is a great option. At $70,500, it offers a timeless driving experience with German engineering. The engine is in solid condition with several recent repairs. While the paint is starting to fade, this could be a perfect restoration project. With a solid body and reliable performance, this Mercedes-Benz remains a stylish and comfortable touring car. 1976 AMC Gremlin, unique and eye-catching, 1800, Franklin, Kentucky. Moving on to something unique, the 1976 AMC Gremlin. This car still has its original factory paint with a natural patina that adds character. It features a 258 inline-6 engine, automatic transmission and power steering, making it a comfortable ride. While it's not a show car, it would stand out in the Survivor category at local car shows. At $8,500, it's an intriguing option for collectors looking for something different from the usual classics. Sixth car, 1966 Plymouth Valiant, a solid classic cruiser, $6,500, Danville, Virginia. The 1966 Plymouth Valiant is a solid classic. It features a 170 inline-6 engine and an automatic transmission, and it still runs beautifully. At $6,500, it's a great option for those looking for a classic car with some character but still in driving condition. While there is some wear on the driver's seat and headliner, the interior is generally in decent shape. This car is truly road-ready and only needs minor cosmetic touch-ups to be perfect. Seventh car, 1968 Plymouth Sport Fury. Classic muscle and performance. Mosinee, Wisconsin. Finally, we have the 1968 Plymouth Sport Fury. It features a 383 big block engine sourced from a 1968 Dodge Charger, equipped with a 727 transmission and a limited-slip Chrysler 8.3 4-core differential. Its performance remains strong. Several modifications have been made, including a 1971 Fury suspension system with front disc brakes and rear air shocks. However, it needs some work, such as floor repairs and a carburetor rebuild. Priced at $6,000, this classic muscle car could be an exciting project for its next owner. So that wraps up today's classic car lineup. From muscle car projects to elegant cruisers, there's something for every collector and enthusiast. Which one caught your attention the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more classic American car content. See you in the next video.